Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. You can see the special 3D shadow concept photo editing tutorial. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. It's a new shadow effect. Okay, you can also edit your name exactly like this. Any type of name, not only starting with a D. Any type of letter you can edit, any type of word. All you have to do is simply follow my video till the end. Watch every single step and you can also edit exactly like this. Friends, if you're first time watching my video, please consider like the video and subscribe my channel and tap on bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification directly, so you cannot miss any of my videos. Now let's check in video without wasting time. Okay, remember, watch the video till the end, each and every single step, then only you can understand and edit your name exactly like this. Now let's check in video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open Picsart application. See you there.